Hello children, good morning to all of you. Hope everybody are safe at home. So today we are going to discuss about assignment number 6 for class 9th, 4th September. Topic is real numbers and concept is from problems on irrational numbers children. So assignment number 6 and 4th dated 9th class. And let us come back to the model for this assignment is consisting 3 Roman children. First Roman is 1 mark questions 2, second Roman 2 mark questions 2, and third Roman 4 mark question 1. Let us come back and join with me. So first one of the first Roman, find the values of the following in that find the values of the following children. So in that first one is 64 whole to the power of 1 by 6. 64 whole to the power of 1 by 6. We know very well 64 can be written as a base exponent form when 2 raised 6 times. 64 can be expressed as when 2 raised 6 times it is equal to 64. Everybody knows about this. Now, so this is in the form of a power m whole power n children. So this is a power m into n. So when these two are getting cancelled, this is 2 power 1. So 2. So when 64 decreased 6 times or raised increased 1 by 1/6 times, this value becomes 2. And come back to second one of the first question children. This is 243 whole power 1 by 5. This is 243 whole to the power of 1 by 5. We know very well children, 243, this is 3 raised 5 times. When 3 raised 5 times, then it is 243. So we can write it as this is a power m whole power n form children. So a power m into n. So we can cancel 5. This value becomes 3 raised 1 time. So the value remains same, 3. So 243 increased 1/5 times or decreased 5 times, the value will be equal to 3. So let us come back to our next question. First Roman, second question children. Write the rationalizing factors of the following. Write the rationalizing factors of the following. As you know children, one irrational number is denoted by S. S is equal to, it is like surd, another name for irrational number. So an irrational number is multiplied by another irrational number to make the product becomes rational. To make the product becomes rational. In this case, S2 is rationalizing factor of S1 and rationalizing factor of S2 is equal to S1. So as two are mutually rationalizing factors to each other, these two are S1 and S2 are called conjugate sets. S1 and S2 are called conjugate sets. So according to this concept, if we are going to find the rationalizing factors for the following, first one, root a plus root b. So what is the rationalizing factor? What is the rationalizing factor of, what is that, children? Root a plus b. Root a plus b. So if you consider root a minus b is the rationalizing factor for root a plus b, then its product we can say it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So this is square root getting cancelled, a minus b square. As it is a rational, number, we can say this is the rationalizing factor of root a plus root b. Or else rationalizing factor of root a minus root b is root a plus root b. In such a way we are going to consider. And second one, what is the second one of the second Roman children? So what is the rationalizing factor of root a plus root b whole square? What is the rationalizing factor of root a plus root b whole square is? Our ultimate concept is root a plus root b whole square when it is considered as an irrational number. So it is multiplied by which one to make the product becomes rational. So this is, if you multiply root a plus root b whole square is multiplied with root a minus root b whole square, then as it is both are multiplying 2 times, this is like a square into b square is a into b whole square. In such a way, this is root a plus root b into root a minus root b whole square. Root a plus root b into root a minus root b. So its product is a plus b into a minus b. Its product is a plus b into a minus b. So this is, what is the product itself? It is a minus b whole square. So as it is a rational number, so we can consider root a minus root b whole square is the rationalizing factor of root a plus root b whole square. This is, it is also we can express in such a way. Otherwise we can explain in another way also. See, this is root a plus root b whole square. If you simplify in the form of a plus b whole square, after you apply in the form of a plus b whole square, it is a plus b plus 2 root ab, because square root getting cancelled, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is a plus b plus 2 root ab. So what is the rationalizing factor of a plus b plus 2 root ab? That is a plus b minus 2 root ab. So when you multiply these two, this is a plus b into a minus b. So this is a square minus b square 2 root ab whole square. So this is a plus b whole square minus 4ab, that becomes a minus b whole square. Even in such a way also we can get the same irrational number. So what is the rationalizing factor? Of course root a minus root b whole square, or else after you expand, this is a plus b minus 2 root ab also we can consider. So what is the rationalizing factor of root a plus root b? root a minus root b. What is the rationalizing factor of root a plus root b whole square? We may consider root a minus root b whole square, or else its expanded form. So come back to our next question, children. Next Roman. Second Roman, third question. So if a and b are rational numbers, then find the values of a and b from the following. Find the values of a and b where a comma b are what they given? Rational numbers. So from the following, what the identity they given? Root 3 plus root 2 whole divided by root 3 minus root 2. When its value becomes a plus b root 6. A plus b root 6. This is the identity they given, children. So before going to this, first of all, if you observe the right side of equality sign, there is no denominator for this. So let us remove the denominator even in LHS also, left hand side of equality sign also. How to remove the denominator for any fraction when the denominator is considering in terms of irrational number? By rationalizing the denominator. So what is the rationalizing factor of root 3 minus root 2? This is root 3 plus root 2. Rationalizing factor of root 3 minus root 2 is root 3 plus root 2. So root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2 is equal to a plus b root 6. Okay, children. Now if you observe the numerators, both are looking like same. When it is in the form of like a plus b into a plus b, this is a plus b whole square. So we can say root 3 plus root 2 whole square. And if you observe the denominator, it is in the form of a minus b and a plus b. So when you multiply a minus b with a plus b into a minus b will give a square minus b square. So this is a square minus b square is equal to, this is in the form of a plus b root 6. Now this is after you apply a plus b whole square, a square root 3 whole square, square root getting cancelled, b square, square root getting cancelled, plus 2ab, 2 into root 3 into root 2, root 3 into root 2, root of 3 into 2, 6, square root getting cancelled, 3 minus square root getting cancelled, 2 is equal to a plus b root 6, a plus b root 6. Now 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to a plus b root 6. Because 3 minus 2 gives 1, as 1 in denominator, directly we can take 5 plus 2 root 6 will remains the result. So on equating the like terms, that means these two are like terms. A is equal to 5 and 2 root 6 is equal to b root 6. After you cancel the root 6 either sides, the value of b is 2. So value of a equal to 5 and value of b is equal to 2. So in such a way we are able to find the values of a and b by rationalizing the denominators, children. So let us come back to fourth question from the second Roman. This is find P and Q, find P and Q, where P and Q are rational numbers. So what is the identity? From the following identity, that is root 5 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3, 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 is equal to P minus Q root 15. P minus Q root 15. Okay, children. So, what is the denominator here? We have 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. So, what is the rationalizing factor of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3? So, as you know, a plus b into a minus b, we can have a square minus b square. There we are able to cancel the square roots. So, what is the rationalizing factor of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3? 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. Therefore, with this, if you multiply the denominator for the given LHS of equality sign, so that we can cancel the denominator, we can rationalize the denominator. Let us see how it is. 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 is equal to P minus Q root 15. Now, when you multiply this, first term root 5 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3, okay, plus second term root 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3, okay, by, of course, denominator we know very well, children, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that gives a square minus b square. So this is a square minus b square 3 root 3 whole square is equal to P minus Q root 15. P minus Q root 15. Now, so root 5 into 2 root 5, 2 into root 5 into root 5, root getting cancelled, 5 plus 3 into root 5 into root 3. So 5 3s are 15. Okay, next plus root 3 into 2 root 5. So plus 2 into root 3 into root 5, root of 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. Okay, plus into plus, plus 3 into root 3 into root 3, 3 whole divided by, this is 2 square means 4, square root getting cancelled 5, minus 3 square means 9, square root getting cancelled 3, so is equal to P minus Q root 15. P minus Q root 15. Now, again, so 2 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9, again 3 root 15 plus 2 root 15, 5 root 15 by, so 4 5s are 20 minus 9 3s are 27 is equal to P minus Q root 15. So 10 plus 9, 19 plus 5 root 15 by minus 7 is equal to P minus Q root 15. So on equating the like terms, so rational numbers, here P, here 19 by minus 7, when 7 distribute to each and every term in the numerator. So P is equal to minus of 19 by 7, and similarly minus 5 by 7 root 15 is equal to minus of Q root 15. So minus minus getting cancelled, root 15 getting cancelled. So Q is equal to 5 by 7. Q is equal to 5 by 7. So what is the values of P? P is equal to minus 19 by 7 and value of Q is equal to 5 by 7 when the identity is given as root 5 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 is equal to P minus Q root 15. So this is the process of getting the values of variables when the variables are rational numbers, and it is 100% purely the values of rational numbers is obtained by rationalize the denominators and then equating the like terms, children. So let us come back to our third Roman, last question, fifth one. So fifth one, simplify the following. What we need to simplify? Simplify 4th root 81 minus 8 into cube root 343, okay, plus 15 into 5th root 32 plus square root of 225, square root of 225. Now children, we know 81 can express as 3 raised 4 times. When 3 raised 4 times, it is equal to 81, and minus 8 into cube root of 343 can be expressed as 7 raised 3 times. When 7 multiplied itself 3 times, the product will be equal to 343. Okay, plus 15 into 5th root of, you know very well, when 2 raised 5 times, the value remains 32. And this is 15 raised 2 times, the product gives 225. Now, the value of 3 increased 4 times, decreased 4 times. So, the value will be remains. And minus 8 into, again, 7 increased 3 times, decreased 3 times. So, the value 7 will become. And plus 15 into 2 raised 5 times and decreased 5 times. As any value increased and decreased the same number of times, that value remains, will obtain. And 15 raised 2 times, decreased 2 times, square root symbol means it is decreased 2 times. As both are same, the value will remain. Now, according to Bodmas, multiplication comes first. So 3 minus 8 7 jar 56, 15 2 jar 30, and then 15. If you are not remember about Bodmas, though you are able to good at these calculations, you will get wrong answer, children. Now, so let us add all positive numbers aside. 30 plus 15, 45, 45 plus 3, 48 minus 56. 7 8 jar 56, 15 2s are 30. This is only 225. Okay. Then this is, so 48 minus 56 as it is, as the symbols are positive and negative. Let us do the subtraction first. 16 minus 8. 8, 4 minus 4, 0. Symbol of biggest. So this is the result. This is the result. 4th root 81 minus 8 into cube root 7, 343 plus 15 into 5th root 32 plus 225. So 225 means square root 15. So 2 15s 30 and 8 7s are 56 and this is 3. So 45 plus 3, 48 minus 56, this is minus 8. So this is the final answer, children. So that's all for today's explanation, assignment 6, children. So thank you so much and have a nice day and keep working. Thank you. Thank you so much.